In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the most out of the TextBlaze community forum. You can find the forum at community.blaze.today, or you can click on the community link at the top of your dashboard. If you're not yet logged in, just click the login button and you'll be automatically logged into the forum using your TextBlaze account. One really cool feature of the forum is the ability to embed snippets. Here, a user is asking a pretty challenging question. In my reply, I'm using an embedded snippet to show the user how to tackle the challenge. Moreover, the user, as well as anyone reading the thread, can click the Copy to TextBlaze button to import the snippet directly into the dashboard. Using embedded snippets is great for when you have questions about building your own snippets, and they're easy to make. Just create a post in the Questions and Help forum section. Click the gear icon, and then click TextBlaze Snippet. Next, place the snippet you want to embed right here. And of course, tell us what you'd like to achieve so we can help you get there. I promise you, no question is left unanswered. In the community, you'll meet some of the coolest, smartest, and nicest productivity hackers on the web. We're all super eager to help each other out and will make you feel right at home. Join the community today, look around, learn from the questions of other users, and ask your own.